Guys, we're coming to you from the 2019 Canadian International Autoshow in Toronto, Ontario. And behind me, we've got the 2019 Ram 1500 Sport Edition. Now, the Sport Edition is a Canada exclusive model, and what that gets you is the monochromatic look, as well as black headlamp bezels, black grille treatment, and black badging. Under the Sport Performance hood, optional on the Sport, you get the 5.7 liter V8, 395 horsepower, 410 foot-pounds of torque. No e-torque Hemi or Pentastar V6 is available on the Canadian Sport. Part of the black badging, you get down low on the doors here. This does have the optional 22-inch black noise wheels, which I think look great. Coming along inside, this truck does have the full leather interior, heated and vented seats. You also get a unique kind of carbon fiber trim along with metal accents in the door panels. This truck has the advanced safety group, so you've got adaptive cruise with full stop. You've got lane keep assist, active parking, and all kinds of stuff to help keep you and your family safe. Something that sets this Sport out from most is it does have the 12-inch UConnect screen that became optional later in the year. Now, first of all, it was only available on Laramie and up trim levels, but Rams opened it up to the Rebel and the Canadian Sport model. You get a unique Sport badge on the upper glove box door there, which operates the same as like the wooden door on a Limited or a Longhorn. You get this awesome panoramic sunroof, which gives you it's huge and gives you a great view of the sky. Coming around back, now keep in mind I'm 6'1". I fit in the front seat, no problem. Coming around back here, this is me basically sitting behind myself. Look how much legroom I have here. I could cross my legs if I wanted to. There's a ton of room in these trucks, and they're incredibly comfortable. You also do have this fold-down console with 2 cup holders, as well as 2 cup holders and a tablet holder here for rear seat passengers as well. You get 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, and you get your 115 volt, 400 watt AC outlet. Now coming around to the back of the truck, the Sport model does have the LED tail lamps with the blacked out accents. This truck, of course, with part of the advanced safety, has the blind spot monitoring, which is integrated into the tail lamps here. You got this Sport badge exclusive to Canada, as well as the rest of the blacked out badging. Another thing many people won't tell you about is it's got the actual gloss black or chrome black exhaust tip standard on this truck. You also do have the proximity sensors smartly hidden in the rear bumper trim. All right, guys, that covers a quick rundown of the 2019 Canada only 2019 Ram 1500 Sport.